So guys, so I went to the Ministry of Labor and Security, right? And they gave me a bag of food because they wanted me to bring the police, not the police report, because I'll know I don't get that yet. They wanted me to bring the thing, the fire report. So I brought that to them. They gave me this, and I'm supposed to get some emergency relief fund. I think it's about $75,000. So, you know, I'm gonna get that for now because it takes time to process. So, if you experience this situation, go to the Ministry of Labor and Security, and because you pay tax in the country and get every freeness they have to offer, you deserve it. We grandparents pay tax, we parents, we work, we pay tax. So, anything them have to offer, no, wanna go collect it. Nobody come feel away because they're giving you freeness, as we would Jamaicans would say, poor relief stuff. All the house, if you can get the house, I take it too. But yes guys, this is what they gave me, that bag of food. So you have oil, one little bag of oil, sausage, what is sardine, I know it's sardine, so corned beef, one little pack of lasco, flour, rice, sugar, cup soup, and baked bean. I think I saw baked bean, caramel. So yeah, that's basically it. So guys, me tell Liebert, so Liebert, come and help me bring those lads inside the church. Liebert say, may I cook? One thing with Liebert, you see, when he's cooking, nobody can get him to leave his spot. He's serious about cooking his spot. Trust and believe. Anyways, I don't know if y'all will ever see this, but I'm here in my house, my one bed, my one room, everything. So I'm cleaning up. If y'all see this vlog, then I decided to post. If not, then I just didn't bother posting. So this is how in here is looking. Let me show you. So as you can see guys, in here it has a lot of things on the floor. I bought some stick-on tile thingies. There they are, the black thingies. See the lot there, I put one piece on the outside already. He finished working on the outside roofing section there. So the, what's that thingy? I don't know, I don't remember what they're called. There's a, it's kind of drooping, so that needs to be fixed. So the goal is to clean out, wipe down, dust down, all of them good stuff there. So we have these on the floor. So it's a lot of work to get done. I'm going to do my best to make it comfortable. I never have nothing, so the fact that I have somewhere I can push in my own key and I can close the door, and I have windows, and yeah, it's a blessing. Some people, they're on the street, sleeping on the street, so I'm most grateful. So I'm just going to try to make this as comfortable as possible. So now let's get to working. I don't know where to put y'all because I don't have any tripod in nothing. No tripod. No ring light. What am I gonna use? Catch this now. It's a task. I don't know how this gonna work really. I really don't. No. I don't even know if anything I record, guys. What? Oh God, my puppy's sitting. God. This is what I bought, guys. It's going to go on the floor. I hope y'all can see me. This is what I bought to go on the floor, guys. I hope y'all can see. Let me check the camera. I'm tired. This is what I bought to go on the floor. Let's start. So I'm still in here. It's night time. Can see outside dark, guys. Give me a bright door. I can't vlog. Yes. Today is another day, so I'm here again today to do some cleaning. Right now it's about 12:34 in the day, so yeah guys, I'm going to get the cleaning on, and they're supposed to move the house from here and push it back further in the yard, so hopefully everything is done today, fingers crossed. I ran a lot of errands today, and I'm just trusting the process, trusting God, because he never fails. He's always on time. He's going to take me through this process. I firmly believe that. Literally my strength comes from him. So yeah y'all, so maybe I don't have anywhere to put my phone to vlog the process of my cleaning, but I'll surely let you see once I'm done, or another day or something of the sort. But yeah, pray for me y'all. So yeah, just a little update. So I'm back at my uncle's house, and basically cooking. So oh yeah, the Ministry of Labor, they gave me a bed too, a mattress, I should say, a sponge, like, you know, one of those cheap beds. Nothing fancy, but yeah. So just to close out the vlog here, guys, so this is what I'm cooking at the moment. Let me show you. So yeah, so I'm cooking veggie chunks. My daughters, they love when I cook the veggie chunks, and I'm steaming some rice. So veggie chunks and some long grain rice. So I normally add my sweet and sour, great sweet and spicy something sauce in it, so it makes it tasty, along with some ketchup. So that's what I'm going to do now. So yes guys, so that's what I did today. I got the bed also. Well, I keep saying bed, I got the mattress from the Ministry of Labor. Sponge. Yeah, grateful, because as I said, all of my stuff burned up. My king size bed, I'm tired. So yeah guys, that's basically what I got done today. You know, I basically moved the mattress and the bed in the house. So yeah, I should be going in pretty soon and stuff like that. So the workmen, they're supposed to work on the concrete structure tomorrow, so I may vlog, well, I'm going to vlog them working on that. But yeah guys, and please, if you can help out, please help out, donate. Click on the GoFundMe link. I'm going to put it in my description box, comments, wherever. Please help out if you can. All right, thanks for sticking with me throughout this journey. Thanks for watching. Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, queenk.w_, guys. The goal, well, just subscribe, yeah, if you want to. Yeah, yes guys, so they're working on the house today. Going to mix sand and cement and all of that. So, yep, they're about to lay some blocks and stuff. Hopefully, fingers crossed, them do it good and neat and whatever. I did Android 1.2 and we're good to go. So you guys, the work has begun. Just keep me in your prayers, y'all. So that's what they're doing now. They are doing whatever that is to lay the block. Trying to get a little closer. Hey, mighty God. This one's gonna go already, so. Oh, my king size bed, open up. Jesus. As him move that the wiring or whatever. See the bed. Come out of the bed and then buy it. So you lay and can't see whole them. Oh. Oh God. Right, it's on hot though. Well, the sun never cool, but we Jamaicans saying that it's sun hot. So.
Good Jamaican bad about food. When you find that, then come here, then you come nice.
Yeah, because them ever in the ice, in the cold, you know, so when them come, they just want the sun upon them. To melt them.
But you eat night every day before you die.
Yeah. Afraid I like vitamin D. Alright, y'all, so it's coming along. So they what a 3 row over this side gone up, and then 3 row over this side are gone up. Tony, how the black look lean so the one there. Well, I guess you know how not to do it, right? The one there, that's so. It's second one. No, below the second row. We just do. Yeah, first. Yeah. But it's coming along. Eh? Tony, you try to build me also so you not drop down farming, you know. Oh. Nobody thinks of me now. I do my research, you know. So, you can't see black them? Oh, you just put that so you put them on then cast afterwards. Oh. Alright, so I'm back at it again. I'm back at it. He'll do it again for you. He'll do it again